This United Real Estate Infinity property video is presented by Donita Everhart. This seasonal rental offers amazing preserve and golf course views from your screen lanai. With a social membership, you can swim in the community pool, work out at the fitness center, play bocce ball or shoot billiards. The activities are endless. 5 miles from Old Naples, shops, dining and world-class beaches. Make this beautiful 2-bedroom 2-bath condo your home away from home. Call today to check availability. For more information, review the details below.